Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how using songs and rhymes can help your child recognize their name in a fun and engaging way. Music and rhythm are great tools to reinforce learning, especially during daily routines like playtime and meals. Singing your child's name in a song not only captures their attention but also creates positive associations. The repetition and rhythm can make it easier for them to remember and recognize their name.
You won, let's say hi, 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 hi. You won, it's time to brush, 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 brush. You won.
You can create your own songs by using simple, familiar melodies and incorporating your child's name. For example, you can sing to the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or If You're Happy and You Know It.
You won, stand up. You won, jump up high, jump up high.
Use these songs during everyday activities like playtime, mealtime, or bath time. This helps your child associate their name with fun and comforting moments.
You won,
It's time to eat.
it's time.
to eat. It's time to eat.
Adding hand motions or simple actions with the songs can make the experience even more engaging. For example, while singing, point to yourself when calling the child's name or use playful gestures.
You won, let's clap your hands, clap your hands, clap, clap, clap.
Songs are a joyful way to teach name recognition while building fun routines with your child. By incorporating their name into songs, you're not only reinforcing learning but also creating moments of bonding and happiness. Keep singing, keep smiling, and watch your child's excitement grow as they recognize their name more and more each day. Happy singing!